Don't miss your chance to be the first to claim your $500 Walmart voucher, limited time only. This exclusive offer is designed to reward early action, so the sooner you claim it, the better. Imagine what you could do with $500 to spend at Walmart, from groceries and electronics to home essentials and fashion. The possibilities are endless. Whether you want to stock up on daily necessities or treat yourself to something special, this voucher gives you the freedom to shop without spending a dime of your own money. But act fast, the supply is limited, and demand is high. Many people are already rushing to grab this incredible deal, and once it's gone for good. Claiming your voucher is quick, secure, and easy. Just follow the instructions, enter your valid details, and you'll be on your way to enjoying a $500 Walmart shopping spree. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Opportunities like this don't come around every day. Be smart, be fast, and be first. Get your $500 Walmart voucher now before time runs out and someone else beats you to it. Your next shopping trip could be completely free, but only if you act now. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like this video and put a comment. For more updates, subscribe my channel.